Hey guys, so for today's video I'm coming at you with something very different. Today I'm going to be self-tanning and dyeing my hair pink by myself for the first time at the same time. I'm so nervous. Okay. I've never used self-tanner before and I've never dyed my hair any sort of color. This is semi-permanent dye, by the way, you could probably tell. But I did do Kool-Aid like we all did in 5th and 6th grade. So I did that and it was red, but it faded out in like a few months, and I did it over the summer. Like it wasn't that big of a deal. It was Kool-Aid, so like, yeah. But this is like straight up actual semi-permanent hair dye. I'm using the L'Oreal Colorista in soft pink, and I'm not sure how well it's actually gonna work on me because like my hair isn't that light. It'll probably look something like that, which isn't that cute. I'm hoping more like that because my hair isn't as blonde as it seems. Maybe it is, I don't really know. But I hope it comes with gloves because then that means I have to dig around my cabinets down here to find some. But we're doing this while the self-tanner is setting in. Because I have to let it sit for 3 hours. And it is currently 8:13, so I'm going to be up till like 11 or 12 tonight doing this. So, we love that. Okay, I'm going to get started. I'm so nervous. I probably should have like waxed my arm hairs. You know, that never happened. And I shaved yesterday, so it's like kind of prickly. But you know what? We're fine. I just got out of like the shower, so I use sugar scrub all over. It's one that doesn't have a lot of like oils in it because that kind of messes with self-tanner, I heard. Like, and you're supposed to moisturize after with like an oil-free, like water-based moisturizer, but I don't have that and I don't really care. So yeah, I'm not gonna moisturize after, even though you probably should, but it's fine. You know, we're good. I'm gonna get started, and I'm very nervous. So yeah, I might have to call my mom in here to help me with it like on my back and stuff. I don't really know, but yeah, I'm probably gonna like start with my arms and my legs, and then figure the rest out after that. So I'll probably do my arms and legs, and then I'll get back to you because this video is going to turn into very long, and I'm probably gonna do the whole experience with the hair dye. Mainly because I don't think there's enough to fill my whole head in here. So you guys will be able to watch me do a mental breakdown. Or have a mental breakdown. Yay, so I'm going to do this to not bore you because you've probably like seen people self-tan before. And I feel like it's kind of like the same thing. Like, I don't know. Like a lot of people do it the same way. So I don't think it's that helpful to you. Plus I don't know what I'm doing at all. If you can't tell already. If I end up in a Red Monday video, hi, subscribe. Thank you. Yeah, I will get back to you guys in a little bit. I'm back. So I just did it all up on my arms, and I like pulled up my sleeve and like did it all the way up to here. And I did my legs. I used a crap ton on my legs, probably more than I should have. It's probably gonna be like, you know, really dark on my legs and like not as dark on my arms. But you know what? We'll be fine. It smells amazing, by the way. I didn't think it would smell that great, but it does smell really good. And so I'm about to like take off my shirt and do like my stomach and my back and all that jazz you probably already know. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. Alrighty, so the self-tanner's on, it's dry now, and I just gotta wait a few hours, but in the meantime I'm gonna dye my hair. On the directions it says to wash your hair, my hair could use a good wash, but you know what? I don't care! And I'm very nervous. I kind of feel like I should put this in a bowl, because I kind of do want to use the brush, but you know what? We're just gonna do it anyways. So my hair is bleached, but I don't know if it's bleached enough. I'm watching a movie right now because I can't sit down for a hot minute for like a good like few hours, and I'm really tired and I really want to. So we're just gonna make sure this seeps through all the way. It smells terrible. I really want to listen to music, but copyright. Okay, so I'm just going to keep going through with this, kind of like massaging it through, and I will see you guys. And I'm going to do like a time lapse or whatever, so I can watch my movie and do this at the same time. So yeah, let's go. Okay, sorry if it's at like a weird angle. I don't really know how to set this up in here, but I'm just about done. I'm pretty sure I'm all done. I went through just about all of the bottle. My hands kind of hurt though from squeezing it so much. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this on for like 20 minutes or so. It said to leave it on, what does it say? There's the directions right here. Okay. For medium blonde or lighter hair, 20 to 30 minutes, and bleached hair, 15 to 20. So I'm probably gonna do like 20 or 25. Maybe 30, I don't know, because my hair isn't that light. And it's bleached, but like not like super, super bleached. As if you were like an icy blonde, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this on for quite a while, and then I'm kind of thinking, I don't really know what to do about self-tanners. Literally not doing anything. I don't know if I just like didn't put enough on or what. So that'd be whack, but I'm gonna still let it, you know, sit for its whole thing. So yeah, that's where we're at right now, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I just rinsed my hair out, and it looks pretty good if you ask me. I can't wait to see how it looks when it's dry. For the self-tanner, it literally hasn't done anything. So, and it said you could wait 3 hours and reapply. It's just at the 3-hour mark once it was all done drying. So, because it's midnight right now. So, I'll probably just reapply it in the morning or something. I don't really know what to do as far as like sleeping and stuff, because my bed sheets and my pillows and stuff are all white, and well, my bed sheets are gray and white, so that's still light colored, but like my bed and everything is white. And same with my hair. I'm probably either just gonna wait for it to dry or put a towel down. Yeah, I don't know what to do for my body though, but yeah, I'll probably just give you guys an update in the morning when it's dry, and once my self tanner is done. So yeah, I will see you guys in the morning. Okay guys, this is the next morning. This is what my hair looks like. I'll probably show you guys in different lighting what it looks like right now. It looks like a lilac-y, kind of like purpley color. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Let's see if I can do a little hat for you. So yeah, I like it. I think it's pretty good. It's pretty cute. So, yeah, my self-tan kind of be looking whack, but we're gonna fix that today. So don't sleep with it on if you have to, if you don't have to, because that's what happened. So it's like a fine line right here versus right here. So, and you can see that splotch right there, but besides the point, irrelevant. Anyways, okay guys, so I'm intruding the outro to show you guys more of the color outside. I don't know if it's really picking up the good color. Let's see if I can go in the shade. Maybe that'll help, because like the sun's kind of making it look a little whack. Yeah, I don't know what to do with it as far as showing you guys the color. But yeah, I could get back to the outro. So if you guys like this video, if you did, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Sunny Rose, and my vlog channel, Sunny Rose Vlog. You can follow me on my social media, you can find me anywhere. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye!